Today we'll be talking about Janice the Snowflake data janitor. She comes out of the box with 4 different automated processes. 2 of them are DBA and 2 of them are security. To learn more about those, you can watch the video above. However, for the purpose of this video, we'll be diving into her role, capabilities, as well as some nifty things you can do to get started. By starting off, we'll ask her, what do you do? As you can see, Janice says she's here to help you with a variety of tasks relating to Snowflake, including analyzing database usage for cost-saving opportunities, performing security assessments, and assisting with strategic presentations. She can also help you engage with Snowflake audiences, effectively providing insights into Snowflake configurations, ensuring compliance with security best practices, and much more. So from here, we're just going to do some simple things to be able to show you what she can do. So the first thing I'll be able to ask her is to show all databases. This is of course based off of the databases she has access to. So during installation, you are going through a process of where you have to grant access to certain databases. And here you can see she's instantly showing what we have. And if I said to access 21, she's now using get full table details to be able to tell me exactly what types of tables are inside of 21. And we can manually go through and execute queries on these and be able to run analysis on any of these. But to get you thinking in terms of what these GenBots can do, as long as that Snowflake database has exposure to the GenBot, Genesis creates a semantic model of that database so bots are able to run metadata searches, run queries, use tool call functions. And for the purpose of this example, we're going to ask her to use Snowpark to graph our spend. So this may be something that you can do internally as well. And also don't worry about typos. They're really good at recognizing what you're trying to say. So if you have a few typos here and there, it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect. But I'm going to say over the last 7 days from the Of course, I could type out the name as well, but just to demonstrate for the technical audience that may be watching, as well as, of course, the non-technical folks, what is happening is I am telling her to use a very, very specific table in order to do this so everyone can kind of see what's real. And as you can see, I'm going to hit enter now. So we just asked her to use Snowpark to graph our spend on Snowflake per day in dollars over the last 7 days from this very specific table. As you can see, the first thing she's doing is getting full table details, so we'll give her a second. Now she's running Snowpark Python. And as you can see, here's the graph showing our daily spend in USD over the last 7 days. So let's say I want to be able to drill down and click deeper. Well, we can also do that directly in this chat. So I'm just gonna say, can you break that out by type of usage? So for the non-technical folks that are watching this, we are now asking Janice to take the analysis she did on the back end there, take the visualization above, and then be able to now go back and break that out by type of usage, still utilizing Snowpark Python to do the following. And now from here, you can actually see that This chart is breaking down everything from AI services, cloud services, compute, copy files, data transfer, hybrid table requests, right? You can jot this down, and ultimately you can actually see what she did here. You can see how she's broken this down. If you wanted a different type of chart, of course, you could also ask her to do so. She used Snowflake to do all of this, but let's also now say, and as you can see, she says she used the usage_in_currency_daily table from the Snowflake.organization usage schema. But this is just an example, giving people a taste, I guess you can say, of how they can think about utilizing Janice, what they can do. What I showed today by no means is her limitations. If you would like to explore further in terms of thinking of use cases, we're happy to talk to you and work with you in creating what that use case looks like, whether with Janice or using Eve to create a GenBot that would fit your use case specifically. Hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching.